Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Then Rotorua versus Kirikiriroa. Looks at his watch and Rotorua is going to get underway. They're going backwards though, Rotorua, so they're finally able to move forward. So referee lets this play on. And they're going to scoot down the blind side. Some space here. Good down and run here. For Rotorua, he's going to get free and that's an early try. Roos now out to his back door past the Stevens. He's in space, he needs to link up here and he does. Parai gives it off to Kirikiriroa, he's in the corner. That's an awesome try there from Ken Mills, and you mentioned him earlier, Zach. That's a great shout there. Van der Heijden to throw. They're able to tidy this up there, going to more time as well. We can see Van der Heijden out the back here. He's got his hands on the ball, they're moving forward here at Rotorua. Inching closely to the try line, it breaks away and they get lots of momentum. He's going to score here, Van der Heijden. They're just nudging through their forwards here at Rotorua. Getting closer now. Another strong carry, they are inches here at Rotorua. Quick pick and go here and he's over. Kirikiriroa, they're going to have to defend well here. The initial strike's good, but they peel off and they are just steaming straight over the try line and looks like a pedal north to Rotorua. Can they tidy up their line out? Walker's to throw, the captain. They come short here. Dunlop darts to the back. Is he going to find most of the shot? For Peter, it's a trick play and Van der Heijden's over. Van der Heijden's ready, but they do decide to go back to Stevens, who will look to exit, but ball doesn't find the touch line, so Owen, he fakes the kick and he's made a dash and run down the left-hand side. He's an open play. Stevens makes the cover tackle, but he slips it off to the number 4. It's going to be Wars, who scores for Rotorua. And again, they fake to the back and it's clean there for Kirikiriroa. They're marching forward here. They've got momentum. Van der Heijden, he's going to go to ground. Good defense there from Rotorua. It's open here for Roos. Can he find the line? He does! I believe Rotorua still at position. They fling to the left-hand side here through their back line here. And he's breaking through. That's a try to Owen. Numbers on this right-hand side for Kirikiriroa. Can they execute here? Another carry. Linking up here through Saxon. Good offload there. He's linking up with Parai. Parai's going to dart in the corner. So Kirikiriroa, they need to quickly take this conversion. With a conversion on the sideline, and he has kicked well today. And he strikes another one from the sideline, but referee Taylor White calls it full time. So congratulations to Rotorua. They have just won the MΑORI Cup.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.